Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to sit to stand today without really having a lot of back pain. And we have our model who's going to show us one way to stand up. And then go ahead and sit down for me. Okay, so some people this is really troublesome with. So one thing we can do, which we went over in another video, is we put the hands on the hips, dial the pelvis forward and backwards and find a position that's comfortable. Most people are going to find that dumping the margarita off the front side of the pelvis is going to be the best. So go ahead and hold that. Okay. One way is to stand up through the feet. Go ahead and lean forward and stand up tall. Good. Go ahead and sit down again. So that's one way. Other people can't do that. So let's bring one foot back here and really get some weight into the toes right there. Mm-hmm. And then we have a split stance right here because some people lose their balance, which is fine. If you want to be more challenging, you just put it together a little closer. But for now, we're going to keep right here. Go ahead and lean forward into this foot and then drive the head through the ceiling. Wow. Well, that didn't work too well. No. Go ahead and sit back again for me. Good. Go ahead and try again. Load through the toes. That looks better. I don't know what happened the first time. I don't either. Go ahead and sit down again. Some people can't go into this knee. For whatever reason, the knee is an issue, so we switch sides. There we go. Go ahead and drive through the ceiling. Okay? So you're keeping this nice posture right here about the pelvis. You're driving through the toes and you're standing tall. She's locking the knee. Now she's in a full. You can use this as an exercise as well. Go ahead and sit down again. So if you guys are having back problems and you're in Orange County or in California, in Southern California, come see me. These are really simple to address. They don't have to be complicated and you really don't have to have back pain for a long time. They're easy stuff. So there's a link somewhere. I'll see you guys next time.